Bird flu, also known as avian influenza, is a highly contagious viral infection that affects a variety of bird species, including domestic poultry and wild birds. While most strains of bird flu don't infect humans, some can be transmitted from birds to humans, in rare cases from human to human. Bird flu is caused by a type of influenza virus that's most commonly found in birds. The virus is transmitted from bird to bird through direct contact with bodily fluids such as saliva, nasal secretions and feces. The virus can also be transmitted through contact with contaminated surfaces such as equipment or clothing that's been in contact with infected birds. In birds, the symptoms of bird flu can include a range of respiratory and digestive symptoms, including coughing, sneezing and diarrhea. In severe cases, the infection can cause a rapid death. In humans, symptoms of bird flu can be like those of regular flu, including fever, cough, sore throat, muscle aches and fatigue. In severe cases, bird flu can lead to pneumonia, respiratory failure and even death. There is no particular treatment for bird flu, and in most cases they're managed by supportive care such as rest, fluids and over-the-counter pain medication. In some cases, antiviral medication can be used to help manage symptoms and reduce the severity of the infection. In severe cases, hospitalization may be required. The best way to prevent bird flu is to avoid being in contact with birds and their droppings. This includes avoiding contact with wild birds, especially in areas where bird flu has been reported. If you work with poultry or other birds, it's important to take appropriate precautions to reduce the risk of infection, such as wearing protective clothing and practicing good hygiene. Additionally, vaccination programs for domestic birds can reduce the spread of the virus.